Coordination Committee of Registered MEECL Employees Association and Union ne ka CCOR MAU kalapan pau pakapriang ya kara jong sarkar buntung yau MD uba pura haka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited uba arju dakhar ubadai Vice President ka Coordination Committee ula kentu yak sarkar ban aibor pura ya Managing Director khanang bakikam kijam kinyai bham ula ongru bagi don bun ba kijing keno bamsap ha kan dikatanan bat nakaliang gejong ula ong baladaya kilap yanu bagi don kri ban wanra ya kijing tu nong katanan kide ban sya pencidom kat kumkaan
ila sutu mendaba chairman jong generation transmission distribution committee ong la bande chief secretary ni additional secretary ni principal secretary power ma ni sutu bakine kibon dikam joki so all responsibility kan labi hunu MD Nay, but kumjuru nakalian ko jong minister power by designation whoever comes. Nay, kinlong mu chairman jong nika MECL. Digani it's very good nama ble kandan kataka link coordination between kini three utilities, niki employees but the government. Pi kandan closeness. Dan kinu kini issues ru nila ban take up pada chairman jong nika MECL. Mar MECL is a holding company hakaban kini common issues ki jongi. Be it service conditions, be it salary, be it pensionary benefits, but kiwi HR issues. Kadang sah hiya po kanika holding company. Mo, te kanika ba we are looking forward, banin aga support, but kawai ka mga pa kan siya yang ni. Ba you know bagi tung. You MD bunuan. Mo, please give a free hand bantrekam. But kunjuru iki officer. Namar hadu menta mangiyong isyayong ba balay gidan ki area ki bakal luas hado 90%. Hato kadai mo yani bagin kari ya kanika badan hado gini gisni ki pemerintah. Yung kira saya kata margi sya keno. Kalau ada kapuar menta bagin find out the root cause. If anybody is involved in indulging in any unfair means kapawanra jaga jingduk nong revenue, please take action immediately. Don't spare anybody.